Forgotten username recovery failed on TD Ameritrade Fix. If you've forgotten your TD Ameritrade username, don't worry, most people get this wrong by attempting random guesses or using outdated emails. The surprising truth is that TD Ameritrade relies on your registered email and identity verification to recover accounts, which makes the process simpler than you might think. Here's the solution. Step 1. Go to the TD Ameritrade login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. TD Ameritrade will send instructions to help you recover your username. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, prepare your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. TD Ameritrade support can verify your identity and assist with recovery. Step 3. Follow the instructions provided in the recovery email. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails sometimes get filtered. Step 4. If you still cannot recover your username, contact TD Ameritrade support directly. Explain the situation and provide the verification details requested. Their team will guide you securely through the recovery process. The key takeaway is that a forgotten username is not permanent. With your registered email or identity verification, TD Ameritrade ensures safe and quick recovery, allowing you to resume trading without interruption.